was just asking.
Why don't you come down and we can talk all day?
Okay, I will be down, as will my friends. We are going to fly right down.
What? No, that's a quail, an emu, there's a chicken, they cannot fly.
Yeah, until now.
She's helping us achieve our dreams.
That's right, Duck, you know me.
It is still a personal victory if you use the bucket.
Okay, well, hold on, use the bucket.
Wait, what?
Tulip doesn't fit in. We're all the same, but she's a weirdo.
Whoa, that's not nice.
She's just a hard life.